Hi guys, today I'll show you how to replace the low beam and the high beam bulbs in GMC Savana and Chevrolet Express. First I'll start with the high beam, which is located right here. For the high beam you can replace it by inserting your hand inside the engine compartment, and then you'll be able to turn the bulb counterclockwise and pull it out this way. So for the high beam it's fairly straightforward and can be done like this. I'll reinstall this one. This one is on. The problem right now is that the low beam is not easily accessible like this. Even though we have the same type of connector over there, the problem, there is a metallic frame right in the back of the light, which may or may not be seen from here, but this prevents us from removing this bulb the same way. So in order to replace the low beam bulbs in this vehicle, we will actually have to remove the headlight as a whole piece. For that, first we have to remove this plastic cover. We have a number of plugs which we'll have to remove, and we have a couple of bolts right here. This will allow us to easily reach two bolts hidden underneath this plastic panel. You can see one right there. And then you will be able to replace both bulbs without any issues. Right now I will show you how to remove this plug. The idea will be the same for all of them. This one is used as the demonstration. You can use a screwdriver and a trim removal tool to first remove this piece, and then you'll be able to remove the whole plug. And this is how it looks. And then just repeat the whole process on the rest of the plugs. Now we'll use 10mm socket to remove these two bolts. Now again, using the 10mm socket, we will undo these two bolts. These ones hold the lamp in place. And now, as you can see, we have easy access to both bulbs. This is our low beam. Now you can easily turn it counterclockwise. And this is our bulb. You can use a screwdriver. To remove the bulb, and this is again our bulb, and this one is this guy is Sylvania 9006. Install the new one the same way. First find the proper position for all the tabs, and then turn the bulb clockwise like this. And now the high beam. You can remove the connector first and then again turn counterclockwise, and this bulb is 9005. Also right now you can see the adjustment mechanism for our headlight, which normally is accessible from this opening, but again this is how it looks when we have removed the assembly. And then basically reinstall all the bolts. As you can see, even though we have the metallic brackets here, you still should be careful and use moderate effort when you tighten these bolts, because there is still plastic in the middle. And one more time, this is the axis for our try to show you guys headlight adjustment. There it is. Plastic panel goes back on. When you install it, first you need to make sure that the lock gets through, and then the second part, keep in mind that we have 2 bolts on top as well. Use light torque when you tighten these bolts. And the final step, all plugs go back on. First this part, and then the second flat piece goes inside. And also, as you can see, we managed to remove all the plugs without breaking them. Our replacement is complete. As you can see, both bulbs are working. Again, this is our low beam, this is the high beam. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this was helpful. We'll see you in the next video.